What's going on, guys? It's your brother O.T.G. The O.T.G's for Overtime Grind. Hardly seen, but I'm always around. And today I got the Akai Force and the Roland Sp-404 MK2. As you can see, I got some drums already selected. I got a sample that chopped up on the bottom 8 pads of the Roland Sp-404. And I want to record that into the Akai Force. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to record that in, build around it. Make sure you stick around to the end. I got a cool filter that I'm going to put on inside of the Force, and it's just one of the filters inside of the MPC environment. But if you pay attention, you'll be able to see how I turned this simple loop into a bass line, and then I'm able to stack another one on top and kind of get a whole different sound. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Make sure you stay to the end so you can see that aspect of what we're talking about. Make sure you check out all the different videos, everything I have in the description. Yeah, that's really about it. You know, wintertime is on the way. It's really about time to batten down the hatches. Really time to put some work in on this music. You know, whatever kind of music you make or whatever you're doing, it's really time to invest some time into yourself. You know, a lot of people who are producers and making beats, that time that they have when they sit on their machine is their time of control, their time to themselves, maybe the only time they get all day, all week to really be to themselves and think. So, you know, going into the season change, you want to make sure you take some extra time for you, some extra time for yourself with your thoughts. And if making beats is that, you know, just hop in and explore sometimes. That's what I'm doing with this. I'm just going to mess around with the pitch and the speed. I like the dedicated sampler of the SP404. I like the aspect, and I like the way it stretches music and what it does and how it samples. I'm very familiar with how to do and achieve the same thing in the Force. I just like to do it in the SP. So, you know, sometimes I like using whatever machine, what it's dedicated to do for that purpose. So, you know, that's what I'm doing with this. I'm going to do, you know, slowly start to get into some more of the effects in the MPC environment, you know, and really try to build some things out. So make sure you check out everything I have in the description. Make sure you follow me on all social media, 365 O.T.G. Make sure you say thank you for being blessed and having access to the tools to do these things. You know, to have the phone to watch these videos. There's a lot of people going through things on this planet right now who don't have access. So make sure you're always thankful for your blessings, and hopefully you find some value in what I'm about to do. So, you know, we're going to record this in. I'm going to put a filter on it, turn it into a bass line. Going to stack it up with another one. Make sure you stay to the end. Check that all out. It's your brother O.T.G. shout out to you for sticking to the end. If you made it this far, you know, you're going to copy this track over, move it over to another channel, kind of mess around with it with some delay. You know, it's pretty crazy how people underestimate the effects and different things that the MPC has to offer. Whether you're on the Force, the Live, the One, you know, everybody's so caught up in trying to figure out what it doesn't have. They overlook what it does have and the power of what you can do at your fingertips. So, you know, one thing I really enjoy is being standalone and utilizing it and having touch knobs, whether I'm on my One, my Live 2, or this Force. I really enjoy the environment of working in the MPC standalone. I could get lost for hours working on these beats and really sculpting a sound from nothing and turning it into something. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Check out all the masterclasses, $5 now for lifetime updates. Follow me, 365 O.T.G. It's your brother O.T.G.